Hello inflatable fans, I hope you're well. So today I just want to explore and debunk a bit of a myth about dry suits. Now in a lot of the Facebook groups and forums you'll hear everybody say you must burp the dry suit when you put it on and get all the air out of it, because if you happen to fall in the water with a dry suit on and there's a load of air in it and you go in head first, all the air will end up in the legs and it will hold you in. And there may be some truth in that, I don't know. However, my argument is if you've got a PFD on and you go in the water and there's air in the legs, all that's going to happen is you're going to be like a boat. You're going to be one long chamber of air and you'll just float. So I've already expunged all the air out of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to undo the zip, blow in it, John, blow. There we go. Get all that's it. Get a load of air in it. Right. So if I get a load of air in this and then re-zip it up, sealed. Right. This should be, when I get in the water now, it'll come up to the arms. Now this is the Joe Body Warmer PFD. I'm just going to get in the water and you'll see how much, actually if you look at my legs, you can see there's quite a bit of air already in there. So let's get in. So I kind of need to go in back foot. Can you see how much air is coming up here now into my arms? So there's a lot of air actually already in here. It tastes like shit. Legs floating, upper body floating. And now my bum's floating. So there's a lot of air in this suit. But the PFD does the job of balancing you out when you're in the water. I just wanted to kind of demonstrate that. A, to highlight the benefit of wearing a PFD, especially when you're wearing a dry suit. The dry suit alone is not enough. Wear the PFD. And at least then if you have got air trapped in the suit and you end up in the water, at least you know you're going to be alright. It's just a confidence thing. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio, like, subscribe and all that jazz. And all that jazz.